What's up guys, I'm glad to have you back. So the last time I talked about the BTC Dana, I actually showed you how I made 60 USDT live trading on the BTC Dana here, okay? So after that video, a lot of people have actually come to me to ask for a deeper breakdown on how to actually trade right here and actually make money right here on BTC Dana, okay? So that's what I'm going to be doing right now in this video. I'll be giving you a full tutorial on how to basically trade right here, and I'll also be talking about some other things that I might have skipped in my previous videos, okay? So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the process right away. So to basically get started with the BTC Dana, I'll be dropping the link in the description section of this video, okay? So all you need to do is to create your account, sign up and download the app, and afterwards you make sure you complete your KYC right here to be able to deposit and withdraw successfully without having any issue. So make sure you complete your KYC, okay? So once you've completed your KYC, you're good to go with the BTC Dana, okay? So right here on the BTC Dana, you get to trade both Forex and futures market, okay? So we have Forex market like your Euro USD right here. We have the gold market right here. And we also have futures market like your BTC. And we also have the Ethereum/USDT right here, okay? So the BTC Dana actually provides you with tools that enables you to trade both markets right here, okay? And one thing you need to know about Forex market is that they are only open during the 5 working days, that is from Monday to Friday. And Forex markets are not open on weekends, okay? But when it comes to the futures markets, which are crypto related, they don't actually have a timing. The market is always open 24 hours and the market does not sleep, okay? So that's just one thing you need to know about the Forex market and the futures market whenever you want to be trading them, so that you know that on weekends you don't trade your Forex pairs like the gold, the Euro USD, the USD JPY right here, and many more right here, okay? So now let's dive into how to place trades right here on BTC Dana, okay? Well, before we do that, you need to actually fund your account to be able to trade right here, all right? But if you're a new user, you can always get a demo account right here to actually help you gain more experience before you dive in with your real funds. All you need to do is to click on the demo button right here, and then you're going to activate your demo account here by clicking on the activate button. You'll be given about 20,000 coins to trade right here. So these coins will serve as USDT, and you can also edit it to your preferred amount so that you can get a realistic view of how much you'll be making if you were to dive into it with your real funds. So that will actually help you gain more experience. But if you want to actually deposit into your real account, you come right here to where you have assets, and then right here you're going to find the deposit button. You click on it. So there are two deposit options right here. There is one for fiat, that is for your currency, and then there's an option where you can deposit using the cryptocurrency, okay? And the minimum amount you can deposit right here on the BTC Dana starting from 10 USDT and above. All right, so regardless of the account you want to actually use, whether your demo account or your real account, you can always come and switch it up right here. When you come to trading down here, you'll find the demo account right here. So you click on switch to switch to your real account, okay? Then you click on the confirm button and it will switch over to your real account. So whichever account you want to use to trade, always come here to switch it to that account, all right? So let's take the gold market for example. Let's say you're in a signal group or you've actually analyzed the gold market and you felt maybe it might buy or sell at a particular time depending on your analysis, okay? And then you want to actually place the trade right here on the BTC Dana. Let's say you've analyzed to buy and you click on the buy button here. Before you click on the buy here, you need to actually set some things right here, okay? Now we have the position and we have the pending. Now this position is just like the market order where you actually get to place your trade immediately at the current market price. Then this pending order is like your limit order in crypto where you get to actually put in an entry price, okay? So you need to know the differences between these two. Now the next thing you want to look at is the volume, okay? This is same as your lot size, all right? So I usually recommend for newbies to use the volume or the lot size of 0.01, okay? And if you have an account of $100, it is also good you use the minimum lot, which is the 0.01 for a $100 account too, okay? Then once you set it this way, the next thing you put in your entry price, depending on what the signal actually tells you to trade. Then after that, we have the stop loss and the take profit, okay? So I'm going on this right now. So the stop loss is what I call an emergency exit. Now, this is to close your trade if you're losing too much. That is, if you place a trade and the market is actually going against you, the stop loss will actually help you to close it so that you will not lose all your funds, okay? But then you're going to lose some of your funds once it hits the stop loss, but you're not losing everything. So this is just an emergency exit and a precaution, okay? Then the take profit actually locks your profit automatically, okay? So let's say I want to buy gold, right? And then I've already set my entry price to be this. Then the next thing I want to do is to set my stop loss. So let's say if the price of gold drops down to 5020, I want it to actually close the trade regardless of what happens and stop my loss. So this will be my stop loss price if it actually hits this point that I put it at, okay? Then we have the take profit. Now this is where you set the amount you want it to close your trade if you're in profit. So let's say I want it to close at 5060. This basically means I will make about 15 USDT profit. So you can also make your take profit to be higher depending on your analysis, okay? I could actually want to make more profit by putting it like this, and I get to make 25 USDT profit if it goes well, and if it doesn't, I get to make 25 USDT loss, all right? So this is just an example, all right? Now, the next thing we have right here is the margin, okay? So now the margin is what I call security deposit, okay? Now, when you place a trade on BTC Dana or any broker, the broker actually locks a small portion of your balance to actually keep that position open. And this is what we call your margin. And this is the used margin right here. And this right here, if you look down, we have the free margin. So the free margin is usually the money you have left in your account so that you can open more trades, okay? So currently, the margin for this trade is $6.3. So this is the amount I need to actually keep this position open, okay? And one thing about lot size also I want you guys to know is that the higher your lot size, the higher your risk, okay? And also the higher your lot size, if the trade actually goes your way, the more profit you get to make per time. But if it doesn't go your way, the more loss you get to make, okay? So whenever you're going to be trading right here, it's good to use the standard lot size, especially if your account is about $100, you also use the standard lot size of 0.01. Because a subscriber actually came to my DM and the subscriber had about $40 in his account and he was trading gold market with a lot size of 0.05 and he was complaining about losing, and I told him your lot size is actually very high. If you put that type of lot size, you could actually blow your account real quick with that type of balance, okay? But with my balance of over 2000 USDT here, I have enough balance to even put in a higher lot, but I'm not doing that in this video. So I just needed to explain that for you to understand, okay? So after setting the things like this, you can now click on the buy button, but the market has actually moved against the previous settings I put. So I'm just going to adjust my entry price and I'm going to click on the buy button. And here we go. I've successfully created a pending order, okay? Now, if I come back here, if I click on trading, if I click on pending order, you can see the order I just created. So this particular order is waiting for the price of gold to hit 5046 before it will actually trigger, okay? And if I want to actually buy gold immediately, if I just want to trade it immediately, I can actually come here and then use the position. I will just set my stop loss and my take profit instead. So let's say my stop loss is 5030 and my take profit is 5070. So let's say I set it up this way. So right now I'm using the market order, right? So I'll just click on the buy button and these are successfully ordered. If I come right here to trading, instead of it appearing right here in pending order, it is going to appear right here in the position because it will trigger immediately and I get to see the profit and loss I'm making at the current time, okay? So our pending trade I've also executed and you can basically see how it's going right here, all right? So right now the market is actually going against me, but I feel later on it will come back and will be in profit to close this, okay? So this is just a tutorial. I didn't make any analysis before entering these trades that I just showed you, all right? Now, in my previous videos, I actually talked about how to trade using my signal group, where I actually showed you how to place trades using the signal group, okay? So this is my BTC Dana VIP signal group, and I will not tell you that the signals are 100% sure because this has to do with trading. I'm not the one controlling the market, and I cannot give you 100% signals, but what I can give you are well-analyzed signals by professionals. And over time, since when I've been using this signal group, we've been able to get at least 80% success rate with these signals. Okay, so initially I actually made them free, but right now there's a requirement to it. Okay, and I'll be dropping the requirement in my Telegram group. So I'll be dropping my Telegram group link in the description section below. Join my Telegram group to check out the requirement and what you need to do to be a member of this VIP signal group. Okay, also before we round up, another thing I will need you to note is that market like your gold, the BTC, the US 100 have very volatile market. Okay, this is to say that the prices in this market actually change real quick. They go up quickly and they can come down quickly. Okay, so they are very volatile, and if you're going to be trading them as a newbie, you need to actually gain some experience and also make sure you're using a very good risk management. Okay, but aside that, trading futures, trading forex is a very nice thing. You get to make a lot of money right here within a short period of time, but make sure you get a very good strategy to actually help you with that, or a very good signal group. Okay, so coming back to the trades I opened, so I opened under position to actually explain something. So let's say you're already in profit this way and you want to close your trade, you can easily do that by clicking on the X button here. Okay, and then you close immediately. All right, and also if you want to actually change your stop loss or your take profit, you can also do that by clicking on the edit button here to adjust your stop loss or your take profit. Okay, so that's another thing you need to note if you're going to be trading right here on the BTC Dana. Okay, so that's the basic full details on how to place your trades right here on BTC Dana. Okay, maybe moving forward, I'll also share trading strategies you can also use to make money right here, like trading strategies you can use to analyze the market and know when to actually buy or sell. Okay, I'll be in my upcoming videos about BTC Dana. Okay, so I hope you actually find this very helpful, and if you do, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.